Today we're going to talk about slide outs. If you're out at the campsite, can't get the slide to come in, don't panic. Watch the video. You've got a lot of things to try to help get it in before we hit the panic button. Alright, you may have hit the slide button, nothing happens. Oh man. So here's what we're going to do. First, there's a lot of safety mechanisms built in. First, make sure no one has bumped the power switch for the coach. You want to turn on the main power, make sure that's on. A big one a lot of people forget about, set the parking brake. If you have a Mercedes, you'll have a handbrake here. Parking brake pedal, just lock that down. A lot of times that's what it is to get that slide to come in. Now, if you've set the parking brake and you still don't have power to get the slide in, it doesn't move. Next thing, if you're plugged into shore power, you'll still have lights even though your coach battery might, or your chassis, not chassis battery, but the coach battery might be weak to where it won't come in. Now, some coaches are wired to where you have to have the engine running or the key in the on position with the engine not running. Others, you have to have the key out of the ignition. So try different combinations of that. If that doesn't work, then more than likely it is a power issue. If you have a low battery, what we need to do is get the generator going, and you'll want to go outside and unplug the coach from the power pole if you're plugged in at a campsite. And the reason being is the power pole is only like a battery charger. It doesn't charge the batteries near as aggressively as the generator will. So the generator will give you a lot more power going to the battery. So go out, disconnect your power cord, start your generator. There was the beep to let us know that we have power. Now you can come over here and make sure that you've got the ignition switch in the right position for your coach, either the main engine running or the key out of the ignition. Now if we come over here, we can hit the slide button and voila, we have power. There we go. Now another thing that you can do to help assist with the generator is if you do have a travel partner and the battery still sounds weak, you can use your auxiliary start button. You want to have your partner sit in the seat here and hold in on the auxiliary start button. They sometimes call them emergency start. But most motorhomes will have this switch. There's a few that do not, but most have a emergency start switch. And just have them hold in on that button. That will engage the chassis battery, the main battery for the starting of the main engine, with the house batteries or coach batteries. And then you can come over here and hit this. You'll have the benefit of the generator and the chassis battery, the main starting battery for the engine, helping the coach batteries bring this slide in. And that should, one of those should help you get that slide out in. I hope this has been some help to someone, and see you in the next video. As always, thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you stay up to date on all the latest videos that we release. Also, check out our blog website, wolfrvblog.com. There you'll find all kinds of downloadable checklists and worksheets. You'll find all kinds of videos on troubleshooting, how-to videos, coach reviews, campground reviews, trips, you name it. It's a lot of information, a lot of fun. Go check it out.